Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot table of selected data in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So first here I'm going to create a pivot table of selected data. So I simply select the particular data. So I just drag with the mouse and just I select this data only, okay, up to the total price column, okay. So I select this only and then go to the insert tab, tables group, click on the pivot table option, then click on the from table or range. Here you can see the one dialog box is open, pivot table from table or range. The select the table or range, the range is automatically selected of table and its selected range is showing here. You can see A1 to I20. I is the last column, A is the first column. Okay. I20. 20 is a row number. Okay. It's properly selected. Then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. The new worksheet. Select the new worksheet option and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see the sheet is added with the pivot table fields, with the pivot table analysis tab and design tab. Okay, so let's start. So to create pivot table, you just drag the fields below the area. So I just drag the date in filters and the products on rows and values, total price in values area. And that's it. Your pivot table is ready. Okay. So this is a way you can create your pivot table of selected data. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.